What's that on that beat?
Give me all that chicken. I'm back with the prank. So I am gonna do the air honk. What is it? Yeah, the air honk prank on my girlfriend and the kids. I went to the gym and then I came to Party City so I could get this. So let's get the prank started. I'm so nervous and excited, you guys, because I feel like this is gonna be so loud, so I have to put something in my ears because I don't want my ears to hurt. So I'll see you guys right now in a bit once I get home. You guys, so I just got home and my heart is beating so fast. Like, doing stuff like this, like, I never thought it will make my heart beat, but damn, my heart is beating fast. I don't know, I'm nervous. Like, I don't know how she's gonna react. So I'm gonna go inside and then I'm just gonna take off the honk is in my purse. So I'm just gonna take off the honk, the air honk, and then hopefully she's still laying down in the bed so that way I could get her ass like that. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So I guess I failed. I kind of did. You did get scared though. No, I didn't. Yeah, you did. A little bit. I was taking too long, dude. I'm over here telling the kids to brush their teeth and I was just like trying to act normal, you know? And then I could hear her like getting up the bed already and I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna get up, so I had to do the honk already. So that's when I did it. At least I tried. But yeah. Say good morning, you guys.
Good morning.
Yeah, so we're just gonna get our dish started. So I'll be back with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. So I am getting ready really quick. So I'm just gonna like get ready really quick, and then I'm just gonna make this part of me getting ready kind of fast. That way it won't be a long video. What the hell?
How you like it?
Oh my god! You're gonna make me mess up my makeup. You guys, she fucking got me. Oh my fucking god. I'm freaking shaking, look it. Oh my god. So you guys, I'm ready. This is my outfit of the day. So we're back, you guys, and we are ready. This is how I did my makeup. Hopefully it looks good on camera because in person it looks really nice. And I did a cut crease, a half cut crease with glitter, and then just yellow eyeshadow. Something fast, something simple.
3 hours later, call fast.
Fuck you. And of course, she wanted to match with me. And the kids are in the back, and we do have this big old thing right here because we are gonna go wash. I do have a washer and a dryer, but the only thing that the dryer is gas, right? It's gas, so I can't use my my dryer. We are on our way to Delano. We are gonna go eat. I do want to go eat to this place called, what is it called? The Yummy Yogurt, I think.
Yogurt.
Yogurt or some shit like that. I don't know. But it's a place where they sell like yogurt ice cream, and then they sell like sandwiches, salads, and stuff like that. And since I'm trying to eat healthy, I do want to get a sandwich, like a a healthy sandwich. So that's where we're gonna head to. And then she's been feeling sick, so she's gonna get some sopita. And the kids maybe eat something else because they don't like nothing from there. But yeah, so we're heading out that way, and I'm just gonna be vlogging whatever we're gonna be doing. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Look it, look it, look it, look it, look it!
The thing is green.
Oh my god! What the fuck you mean?
The lights are like green. It's a stop sign. It's not for him to go. It's a stop sign.
Lucy, the lights are fucking blinking like stop and then
Yeah, yeah. It was my turn. It was my turn.
go. You guys witnessed that. We almost got in a car crash. I can't believe this shit, dude. That's just scary, dude. Like, that's my fear. That's one fear that I trip about. Me dying in a car accident. Like, I'm scared to die in a car accident. I really am. And I had in so many, like, accidents for me to, like, I don't know. I'm already paranoid for that shit. It's just crazy.
I think me is in the water.
Drowning?
Swimming. I don't want no shark to eat me.
I know, dude. Like,
I'm scared
I
to swim.
I told her, like, this summer we're gonna go, like, to the beach or whatever, dude. And she's scared to go inside the water because she sees the sharks. Like, she's scared to
feel what's in the water.
yeah.
I don't
Yeah.
like that.
And we just got here, you guys. This is this place right here, right there. And all the parking lots are full. So this is my sandwich. It is a chicken sandwich, and then they give you salad, the papa, and then a salad, and then they give you a sopa. They have albondiga, they have the chicken, they have the papa, and the res, I think. And then she just got a little soup because she's not feeling good. Pobrecita. And then the kids already ate McDonald's. So I'm just gonna enjoy my food, and I'll be back with you guys in a bit.
You scared me.
Okay, you guys, so we did finish eating already. That shit hit the spot. It was so good.
You've been trying to give me all day.
I got you.
Andrew was giving it up because he was really good like that.
I've been working this prank, you guys. I've been trying to get her, like, how to get her, but I guess I can't. I did get you right now, though.
A little bit. But Andrew gave it up. He was already like...
I got her, though. I did get you. So, right now, I don't know what we're gonna do. We want to go to the park, but Lucy can't find a ball to play with. I don't know, you guys. I'm really a boring person. I don't do nothing at all. I don't go out. I ain't got no friends. I'm just a boring person.
Hey, baby, I got your back.
I'll see you guys in a bit, you guys. I got you. I got you. I got you.
I got scared. You got me.
I got you. I told you I was gonna get you. I got her, you guys. This time I got her.
Finally out of all day.
I've been trying all day, dude. And I got her. It's so boring. We're like a really boring person, huh? All people.
Today's laundry day, baby. You can go to the park or something. But you know we have to wash.
I got ready for nothing. I always get ready for nothing. Yeah, right. I hardly even get ready. I hardly even put makeup on. That's why some of my videos I look like shit because I'm lazy to put makeup on. But today I was feeling it.
She was feeling it that she took 3 hours.
For reals. Okay, you guys. We'll see you guys in a bit. You got scared? You got scared?
Yes.
Oh my god, dude.
That's
I got them. I got them. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are coming to the 99-cent store to buy like a tennis ball to play at the park. Yeah, so we just came to play a little bit with the kids and not be bored because we're just bored right now. Getting on my hair, my makeup,
baby?
my lips. Yeah.
Do you want to bet on the game?
Bet. What do you want to bet?
What do you want to lose? I always win.
Shut up. I always win. You know that.
Tell me.
I'm a winner. All
If
day,
you
every
lose,
day.
You have to suck my toes.
Ew, dude, I'm not gonna do that. You're tripping.
It's a bet.
You're tripping.
It's a bet.
All right. She said it, you guys. And what are you gonna do for me? So if I win, what?
What do you want?
What should you do?
Don't hit me with the $100 bill. Fucking Fashion Over or whatever.
I always hit her with that. We always do bets, and then I'll be like, I bet you this, I bet you that, or you have to buy me OTD Fash or like stuff like that. And she actually does buy it for me. So that's when you know I'm spoiled. But I want you to, dude, I can't put my purse on the floor. That's bad luck.
Mom,
I don't know if you guys know that, but if you guys put your purse on the floor, it's bad luck. My mama told me that. But yeah, so what should I tell Lucy to do? Yeah, you know what I want you to do? Grab toilet paper from the trash can with your mouth.
Dude, why are you dirty?
You're doing me dirty too with your toes, though.
Why are you gonna act like you never sucked my toes before?
I have it. You're tripping.
Right now they're looking a
You're
little
tripping.
long.
Crusty and shit.
That's
I want the
fucked
boss
up.
for you, Lucy.
Okay, you guys.
No,
So right now,
thank you.
I'll think about the bit that she's gonna do. So we're just gonna play a little bit. So you guys, bad news. Lucy got the wrong balls. They already ripped. They're already broken. And
That one's flat.
this one too, from right here. And there's no bet at all because nobody won because Lucy decided to get the wrong freaking tennis balls.
It's because I used my strong hand and
Shut
it
up.
broke the ball.
Yeah, right. Strong, yeah, right. But we're just gonna be chilling right here for a bit in the shade.
Because we already got hot.
Yeah. Haley, looking pretty over there. Model, let me see. Model. Show them how you model. Oh, you're right. Trying to be like her mama. I don't even know how to model. I try my best. That's just hella hard. We're gonna see what we're gonna do right now, and then we'll be back with you guys in a bit.
I'm diving, gorda.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay, you guys, update. So we are here in McFarland right now. So Lucy was on her IG and she ended up seeing a picture of some oysters shots, and I don't think they have like liquor or beer. I hope not, because I don't drink beer. I don't drink beer or liquor or nothing to do with alcohol. So we did come here to the Broskis. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them, but they are this shrimp place that they sell like shrimp, and then they sell nothing but shrimps, huh?
Seafood.
Like just nothing but seafood, and it's bomb as fuck, you guys. Like bomb. Like I recommend you guys to try this place out. It's right here in McFarland. So we just got here, and I'm excited to try those shots because they look so bomb, and I love seafood. Like I love seafood. And then Lucy hardly even eats seafood. Like she'll eat shrimp here and there, but
Everything's been making me sick lately.
yeah. And there was one time that I told her if she would ever try to eat oyster, at least one, and she told me that she will never try it. But all of a sudden today she wants to try it, so today's gonna be her first time trying it. So let's see what's gonna happen. You guys, this is the place, the Broskis from McFarland. So good, bomb as fuck. Tell them how you feel about trying it.
Ostiones are squishy.
They are squishy.
I don't like that.
You don't like that?
We'll see how it is.
I know. I love them. I love them, you guys. I love them. They're so freaking bomb. Ostiones in my mouth all day, every day. Bomb, bomb. Dude, it's mosquito.
No te bañaste.
I'm gonna get you guys' mouth watery. Watch. It's gonna be so good. You guys, we got our oyster shots and they look like this. Oh my God, it's so bomb. Okay, so who else chews on their oysters? Because I do. I don't swallow, I just chew. So I'm gonna try it right now, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. So fucking good. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take another shot of the oysters. It's really good, really, really bomb. I put a seed in there. I was surprised because she actually took a shot of the oysters, and she don't like oysters. She would see me eat them because when I eat them, I don't swallow. I just chew on them. Like I like to chew on them. You know, I don't know why. I like to chew on them. So when she would see me doing it, she would like le dia asco. So she told me she would never try it, and she actually did it today. And how do you feel about it? Like how did it taste or what?
I think I'll try them again, but I don't think I would try the ostion in the shell. I think it's because the sauce was in the shot, so it gave it a different taste.
So you couldn't really taste the oyster?
Yeah, I try not to think about it. I just like put it in my mouth and swallowed. I didn't chew, I did nothing, so.
They don't have liquor, it's just the juice that they use on their shrimp.
So it's like clamato, no?
Yeah, it's like clamato. I don't know, they make their sauce, their juice, they make their juice. And that juice is so good, like really good. And yeah, I love coming to this place. Every time we come to town, because we do live in Tulare, so every time we come this way, we stop there to get some shrimps, like in ceviche.
Andrew.
I got you. I'm gonna get her again.
What the fuck are you doing? Hell no, you're going to really far extents to try to get me. You're starting to crawl.
Dude, I thought I was gonna get her. I got you guys. Hey guys, so I'm back and I ended up taking off my makeup and I changed my clothes. Well, I didn't change, I did actually go in the shower and washed my body. So I just want to be really comfy already. I can't have makeup on for a really long time. So as you can see, I got this friend right here that wanted to come out of nowhere, and then I had this one for like 2-3 days already. So they just want to say hi to you guys. I'm fucking stupid. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to come back to end the vlog. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.